Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is August the 12th and I'm using my Master Scalper trading system. This one has the Master Scalper right here, this moving average, changes from red to blue, and it also has the super signal indicator, these arrows. Now you'll get an audio, sound, and this pop-up box suggesting to either buy or sell. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll just manually put in this white arrow just to remind me whether I'm buying or selling. Now in this particular pound Aussie on the first trade here, this was trading the pullback. It's just another way to trade the markets. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It's analyzing all the charts from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. After it does a bunch of calculations, within the comments here it'll either say look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and some of them will even be preferred. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are failing. So remember, you have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. And once you have a daily trade plan, then you have to know how to work and analyze the daily trade plan. Now, important thing that you should have or get when you're buying education is support. If you cannot get support, well, there's a good chance you're still going to struggle to succeed. There's a reason why only 5% of the traders find success, is because most often there is no support, and that's why traders are failing. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and that certainly will help you to find success at trading. You can look right below this video and you'll find that there's 5 things that you will need to succeed at trading. And support is one of them. And of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. If you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So let's check out these trades I've taken. Took them all very close to 8 a.m. right here. Every one I bought. And on these pound pairs, it was based on pound strength, obviously, as I bought them. So let's see where I got in on this first trade. There's your arrow, super signal, scalper, daily trade plan. Everything's saying to buy, so I bought it. Took a little while to kick in, but finally did. It looks like I ended up with 18 pips, and those pips paid out $118. Another tool you should have, it's called the Fibmaster tool. All you got to do is click on this link right here. You'll go from swing low to swing high. There's your pullback right there. It's a general rule. If it hits any of the entries, it'll usually, not 100% guaranteed, but usually hit either target 2, 3, 4, 5. On this day it almost hit target 4. And of course, it can still go up, but it's actually around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So the pound market is closed and the Aussie market is closed, so I don't know how much movement it'll do. If you want to trade after 12 or 1, or you should be doing the futures and the indexes because they are still moving quite a bit actually. If you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, again, just get in contact with me. Moving right along to the next trade, pound dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So easy to see, it should be 12 pips. This is where I got in, had the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper was blue. Everything was telling me daily trade plan to buy. So from there to there should be 12, and there it is right there. 12 pips, and I was happy with that. Basically, all I'm aiming for every day I'm trading is 200 or more pips and or ticks, and on this day I know I got well over 200. There we go. And obviously you can also throw a fib tool on that one. I'm sure it'll work. From the low to the high, there's the pullback entry 2 for sure. And look at that, went all the way up and past target number 5. The reason why this fib tool, Fibonacci, works so great is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Moving on to the next trade, Euro CAD, another one I bought. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. First of all, I knew on this candle, this is your setup candle, this is your trigger candle. I knew right away on this candle that it was going to go up, and up it went, producing looks like 17 pips, and that paid out $123. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, scalper, easy decision to make. Went mostly sideways, little up, little down, little. Finally it took off, and at that point I locked in 20 pips, paying out $131. Moving on to the next trade, which is pound New Zealand. Another one. As it was going up, it was showing some strength. So let's see what's happening here. Again, took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. I knew it was going to go up. There's the arrows. Everything is telling me it's going to go up. Looks like I locked in 27 pips, and that paid out $168. Moving on to the next trade, which is pound CAD. Drag and drop this up. Same situation. Everything suggesting to buy. Daily trade plan, super signal, the scalper. And of course I knew it was going to go up. And up it went, producing roughly 23 pips. And that paid out $174. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Euro Yen, here we go. Just going to drag and drop this up. This one qualified for a great way to trade. Everything looking great for moving up. So I took the trade at this cursor, closed it out here. That's actually that's where I saw it. Locking in 27. Those 27 pips paid out $182. Moving on to the next trade I did. And just to let you know, I used to trade only one instrument at a time, and it took me many years to learn how to trade 5 or 10 trades at a time or more. And as you put in the time and the more trades you put in, you'll just know which ones are tradable and which ones you should stay away from. So anyhow, and it's always better to do more than one, because if you do 4 trades, maybe one is not going to move very much and the other 3 might move a lot more, and that's what you want. You have to have movement, make pips, and to make money, of course. Moving right along to this pound yen. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Scalper Super Signal Daily Trade Plan. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out here. Looks like with 57 pips, paying out $385. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Let's drag and drop this up. Everything was looking good. If I stayed in the trade, I'd be making 2 to 3 times more, but that's okay. I was happy with the grand total. And looking at the money, since it pays $10 for each tick, should be 44. So let's go and look for those 44. Let's see. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up 135. But I was happy with the 44, and there it is right there. 44 ticks, paying out $440. Moving on to the last trade, gold. Another one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 95. So let's go and see if we can find that 95. And of course, if I stayed in a trade, it went up for a lot more. 95. There it is right there. 95 ticks, paying out $950. So another great day of trading using my master scalper. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200. Grand total came to 340 pips and ticks. That paid out $2,795. So if your system's not producing like my master scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. And also don't forget about my FibMaster tool. Now, if you have any questions, well, quite simple. Just get in contact with me. And to do that, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description a banner, the word more. Just click on it. It'll open up another window. Give you all my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I answer the phone most of the time. And of course, if you live too far, well, just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Skype. I made a link for you. Easy, just click on it. And after you click on it, we'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. And one of the things that you're going to need to succeed at trading is a lot of education. So I made a special offer for you. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.